Hi everyone, welcome to my very first Stitch Fix unboxing video. It's not my first Stitch Fix, it's just my first unboxing video. I have been watching a ton of these on YouTube and I thought it would be fun to make my own. So here it goes. I haven't had a Stitch Fix since January, maybe February. There goes the dog. Because I was not liking them. So it's now July. I looked at the preview like I always do because I can't help myself. I feel like it's part of the fun and I'm really excited about this one. So here we go. I'll take out all my stuff here. Here's the bundle. I'll show the other side because it has this really pretty green color that I'm looking forward to trying on. And I got these shoes, and I'm going to wait to talk about them until I open them. They're funny, though. Let me just say they take me back to about 1993, 94 when I was in high school. So I can't wait to try those. I'm going to read the note from my stylist. Now, I also asked for a new stylist because things were not good. I kept getting striped shirts, which I love, but they always had like that button detail down the back and everything just started to look the same. It was the same color. So I tried again. And I do have a new stylist. Her name is Grace. So the note says, "Hi, Melissa. My name is Grace, and I'm excited to be styling you today. I'm sorry to see that we missed the mark on your last fix. I've taken some extra time to review your style profile," that's nice, "and purchase history in hopes of curating a fix you will love. Be sure to let me know what you think of each piece in your feedback at checkout. I saw that you wanted to see some tops with no polyester. I hate wearing polyester tops. So in my note, I just asked for natural fibers as much as possible because polyester drives me crazy. So that's good to see. So I started things off by adding a top from Luck for you to try. This has a rayon fabrication. I'm okay with rayon. I know a lot of people aren't, but I am. Making it super breathable and comfortable, perfect for the summer season. Pair this with the white shorts from Pistola. Now, white jeans, white shorts, I feel like they just look awful on me. So we'll see. These white shorts would also look great with a more casual t-shirt from Market and Spruce and the strappy sandals from Teva for an outdoor adventure. I do go on a ton of outdoor adventures. I love camping and hiking and paddleboarding, and I love being outside. So I think I'm going to like the Tevas. I also added a pair of jeans that have a wider leg as you asked for in your last fix. I've been looking for a pair of high-rise bootcut jeans and I just have not been able to get them. So hopefully this is the pair. Okay, so that's probably loud. Let me move that out of the way so I don't crumple it anymore. On the floor it goes. Okay, so this is the green top from Luck. It's LUQ. Super excited about this. And then they send you the price sheet, which is my least favorite part. But this is $38 size large. That is not very expensive at all. Okay. Again, stripes, but as you can see, I love stripes. So I don't have problems with stripes. And there's no buttons down the back, and it's not a cap sleeve. So I like that. What is this? This is the Market and Spruce Harley Pima Cotton Scoop Neck Tee. It's only $28, size large. I'm used to paying a lot more, so these prices, we'll see how the quality is and how the fit is. Okay, here's the white shorts that we'll see. And there's no way. These are so short. I mean, they're super cute, but I'm 44 years old now. I don't think I can I don't know. We'll see. So Pistola, which I love. I just got a pair of Pistola jeans from Trunk Club a while back. They're my new favorite brand. So love Pistola. They're the Eliana Freyhem short, size 12, $64. And then super excited about these boot cut. And they look like they're going to be super long, which is good because I'm 5'9", so I need them long. Just, a nice pair of boot cut jeans. They're also Pistola, which I'm super excited about, in a size 12. These are $88, which actually isn't bad for a pair of jeans. And then these shoes I keep laughing about because, again, I peeked and I saw the picture and it just takes me back to like 1990, I think 1993, 94, somewhere around there, 95. I graduated high school in 95. So they're kind of ugly, but I kind of like ugly shoes anyway. So I'm going to try them on and see how I feel. And they're perfect for hiking in the desert. I live in the desert. So, sometimes you just, like, for the rocks, you want something like that. Okay. So I'm going to try all these on, see how they look. Okay. So here's the first outfit I have on. I really like the green top. I like the tie. I like the fluttery sleeves. I like the color. I think the color's nice. So I really like the top. And the shorts, they're not as short as I thought they would be, but I feel like, they're cute, but I feel like I would be constantly pulling them down. There's some really long stringy things, which I feel kind of like bugs crawling on my legs. So I don't really like that. I'd have to cut them off. So I like the shirt. Not so sure about the shorts. If you have an opinion, let me know in the comments what you think about the shorts. And I'm going to try on the next outfit. Okay, so here's the next outfit. I have on the Market in Spruce shirt. That's $28. The Pistola boot cut jeans, which I love. They're perfect. They could be like an inch or two longer, but I've tried like 10 pairs of boot cut jeans, and these, they fit perfect. They're a little big in the butt. I feel like everything on me is a little big in the butt, but they fit really good everywhere else. They're stretchy, so I'm hoping that means that they stay on better and they don't slide down on my butt. Usually when I size down to a 10, everything ends up being like just a tiny bit tight, and I hate tight clothes. If it's not comfortable, I won't wear it. So this shirt, it's like a little big untucked, but I think to just kind of do a little front tuck, it's pretty cute. And I don't know if I said this already or not, but I absolutely love the Tevas. I don't know, they take me back to high school. The boot cut jeans with the Tevas, I think it's perfect. I think it's gonna, this whole outfit would be great for work. I teach elementary art. So, it's messy, and I feel like all of this will clean nicely. So, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think about the Tevas. If any of you wore Tevas and you're excited to see Tevas back, because, man, they're comfortable. I love them. Hazel, do you like them? This is Hazel. She likes to help me try on clothes. Okay, so I'm going to change back into my clothes, and I'm going to kind of think about what I want to get and kind of do a little recap. Because they always okay, hang on. Okay, so I didn't need to change into my other clothes because it's super comfortable. For those of you that don't know, when you buy all 5 items from Stitch Fix, you get a 25% discount. So this is where I run into the problem, because I don't like the white shorts. I don't think I'm going to keep those, but I really like everything else. So if I keep everything, including the white shorts, I have a $72 discount. So I'd actually be paying more, like $8, $4, $8 more if I didn't keep the white shorts. So anyways, the breakdown is everything together is $288. The buy all 5 discount is 25% off, which is $72, which is a $216 subtotal. And then I have some credit. I have a $62.95 credit. And then it has a styling fee credit, but I have the pass. So I don't know what that's about. Anyways, it would be $133 with all those credits in there. So I just have to figure out if I would ever wear those white shorts. I'm just not like super comfortable showing off that much of my legs. So anyways, if you made it this far in the video, I hope you liked the video. I'll leave my referral link down in the comments. If you sign up for Stitch Fix, I will get $25 and you will get $25 credit. So it's great for both of us. And thank you for watching.